Athletes and sports competitors. Career, salary, and education information. What they do. Athletes and sports competitors compete in officially sanctioned sporting events to entertain spectators. Work environment. Athletes and sports competitors often work irregular hours, including evenings, weekends, and holidays. During their particular sports season, they usually work more than 40 hours per week for several months. They frequently work outside and may be exposed to all types of weather. How to become one. Anyone can become an athlete or a sports competitor without having completed any formal education requirements. Athletes must have superior athletic talent and an extensive knowledge of their sport. They usually get such knowledge through years of practice and experience at lower levels of competition. Salary. The median annual wage for athletes and sports competitors is $51,370. Job outlook. Athletes and sports competitors are expected to see a 10% increase in employment over the next 10 years, much faster than the average for all. Occupations. The majority of professional athlete jobs will remain competitive. Job skills. Competitive mindset, excellent hand-eye coordination, great motor skills, superior physical fitness, and dedication to training. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel to receive the most recent career and education videos. Share this video with your friends and family if you like it. Remember to click the like button. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments box.